Right now, across YouTube, entirely faceless channels are crossing the million subscriber mark by uploading heavily animated short stories. These creators are capturing massive audiences with a fraction of the traditional production volume. Today, we are going to build one of these fully animated, voiced, and edited stories from scratch, and we are going to do it for exactly $0. To make this happen, you need a very specific software stack: a smartphone or browser, ChatGPT, Google Labs, Google AI Voice, and the YouTube Create app. This configuration allows you to execute a professional-grade workflow using only free browser-based resources. Step 1 begins in ChatGPT. We need our base script, so you will instruct the AI to write a 70 to 80-word moral story with a clear cast of characters. Once you have the text, you must give the AI a crucial secondary instruction. Tell it to look at the story and output a specific, highly detailed image generation prompt for every single character. This diagram shows the architecture you need to build, splitting the raw story into 2 isolated pipelines. After character prompts, give your third instruction. Demand a separate image prompt for every sequential scene in the story. Isolating the character definitions from the scene layouts is what prevents the AI from hallucinating later on. By establishing these rules early, the visuals stay consistent throughout the video. To convert the text prompts into assets, we transition over to Google Labs and open Image Effects. We generate our base character first. Take the isolated character prompt ChatGPT gave you, paste it into the generator, and render the initial image. Next, look at this interface layout. You must click the Edit button and use the Add Image function to select the character you just generated. This locks the character's features into the system. With the base character locked, you can now copy your prompt for Scene 1, paste it into the generator, and render. The resulting image will automatically feature your specific character in that new environment. You simply repeat this step chronologically. Paste Scene 2, render. Paste Scene 3, render. Keep going until your entire storyboard is complete. Anchoring an initial image reference is the technical bridge that ensures your protagonist looks the same from the first frame to the last. Now we move to audio. Open the Google AI Voice Generator to create the narration. In the Settings menu, make sure you lock the generator into single speaker mode. This maintains the consistency of the narrator's voice throughout the story. Paste your original 80-word story text into the prompt box, click Generate, and download the resulting audio file to your device. To turn those static images from image effects into actual moving video clips, we open the YouTube Create app. Upload your first scene image, paste its exact original prompt, and command the AI to animate it. The static painting seamlessly breathes into life. With the audio and video generated, the individual assets are now ready for the final alignment. Still inside YouTube Create, establish your base timeline by importing the AI voiceover track you downloaded earlier. Next, drop your newly animated video clips onto the visual track right above the audio file. This timeline diagram illustrates the required mechanic. You physically drag the edge of a video clip to trim it, ensuring the cut matches a specific word in the audio waveform. You follow that track from left to right, trimming every subsequent clip chronologically until the entire sequence aligns with the narrator's voice. Precision timeline syncing is the final step in the process, turning individual clips into a coherent visual narrative. This is the final result of that complete 6-step workflow you just built. Consistent characters, clean animation, and precise timeline pacing. When you are ready to save, go to your export settings, select 60 frames per second, and choose the highest quality MP4 format to guarantee platform compatibility. Your asset is now ready to deploy. Upload the video directly to YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, utilizing best practices for titles and tags to reach your audience. Mastering this workflow provides a scalable method for generating daily assets without any production overhead.